Here we go again. Good old Sprig Plantar from Amphibia. Regulars to the channel may have seen my other Amphibia video. I did one a little while ago. There's the girls and a little sprig there. But this one is just a massive old sprig. A bit later on, I'm going to tell you why Anne's surname, Boonchuy, is such a good name to have. The sprig is a 10-year-old frog, as I'm sure you're aware, and under that hat he's got sort of a tuft of orange hair. He reminds me quite a lot of a Fraggle, actually, for those of you who remember Fraggle Rock. Yeah, that guy, Booba. I really love the backgrounds in Amphibia. Every single piece of art, every single scene you get in Amphibia, you've got these wonderful toadstools and leaves and vines and sort of squishy surfaces and those sort of things. They just look absolutely magical. I love them. Of all the things I get to draw on this channel, the artwork in Amphibia is probably one of the most like my own natural style. I really enjoyed doing this piece because it just felt very, very natural to do those big round eyes and these sort of big bold lines. So yeah, I think we've got a lot in common there. So look out for Captain Fishbeard on Netflix coming soon. Or maybe not. Because the town of Amphibia is such a wondrous, magical kind of frog place, you can do anything in this. So when I'm doing the drawings, I'm using all sorts of mad, bright colours, and it just looks right. And putting lots of reflections and light sources around it. It's all going to look great. They actually use bioluminescent mushrooms as light sources in Amphibia. Okay, so I promised to tell you why Anne's surname, Boonchuy, was such a good name to have. In the Thai language, it roughly translates to one who encourages or performs good deeds. Pretty cool, right? I've chosen to do Sprig, and it's really hot pink. It's a really bold pink colour. I think a lot more sort of vibrant than it actually is, but for this sort of picture where I want the colours to really pop, I think it's absolutely perfect. I love it. In these sort of bold cartoons, I think you can really get away with putting a lot of ring lights, so the lights and the highlights on the top of his body and his clothes there. I think you can get away with doing a lot of that, and it looks really effective. So I'm going to do a lot of those and a lot of shadow as well. That's about it. I think we're nearly done now. A few little fireflies and bright lights in the background. That's really bringing this to life. But I am very, very pleased with this. I love the colours. I love the shading and the highlights. It's come together really, really nicely. I hope you really liked it as well. And I'd love to hear your comments. But for now, I will bid you goodbye and I'll see you next time.